Did keto back in 2020 and I lost the 20 pounds, but like all diets, it was too restrictive and it was not sustainable. Fast forward to the beginning of this year, I gained all that weight back plus 20 more. I was feeling lethargic, I was at my heaviest, and the funny thing is that I wasn't even eating that much, but my weight wasn't changing. I mentioned exercise. I did not step foot in a gym or exercise for a good 6 to 7 years because I hated it. I thought high intensity cardio was the only way to lose weight, but finding Adrienne on TikTok, I joined the initial 6-week program. I learned about strength training, I learned about macros, and I learned that you don't have to sweat buckets to lose weight. And so the results were amazing. I lost 8 pounds in those 6 weeks, and I decided to continue onto the VIP program, not only because I achieved weight loss, but I also learned about the right mindset. Meraki taught me that losing weight and exercising does not have to be complicated, and taught me about flexible dieting, that there's no such thing as restrictive foods. And the thing that is the most mind-blowing is that I am eating more than I ever have, and I'm losing weight. So I'm very thankful for Meraki and Coach Adrienne and the tools that they have provided me. I highly recommend them to anyone looking to improve their health and become a healthier person.